have a little secret for you. I used to be that person that chose chaos for themselves. You know, that person who just has a drawer full of old crumpled seed packets, and when it's time to start seeds, you're like, what the heck do I even have? I have no clue. But now I feel a little bit more on top of my gardening game, and I have a great organization system that works for me, so I'm going to share it with you today. If you're new here, I'm Leota, half of the Curly Cultivators. We love to grow food in our backyard garden here in sunny Sacramento. Once we organized our seeds, we had a really clear idea of exactly what seeds we had, which ones we needed to buy, and then we also had an idea of when to plant them, whether it be in the cool season or in the warm season. Today we're going to talk a little bit about how we organize our seeds for a vegetable garden. All right, let's get into it. This is the system that we use to organize all of our seeds. This is actually a photo case organizer. I think we got it from Michael's a while ago, maybe 5 or so years ago, and it served us really well. We have one of these for cool season crops and another separate one for warm season crops. We feel like this is a system that works really well for us. It's portable, it's waterproof, it's pretty inexpensive, and it keeps us kind of organized, but you have to find the system that works best for you. So if you decide to go with this system of organizing your seeds, one thing to keep in mind is to make sure you label each of the cases here. So for example, this is a whole container full of peas. It's different types of peas, snow peas, snap peas, all the peas, but I know that because I've labeled it with my label maker to make my life just a little bit easier. So we have one of these cases for warm season crops and one for cool season crops. It keeps us super organized, and I feel like it's a great system for us. Right around this time in the late fall, early winter, we are sitting here cozied up thinking about our dream garden for the spring, and it's so much easier to envision what you want it to be like if you know exactly what seeds you already have and what ones you need to buy moving forward. It's a simple step in the planning process that really does make a big difference. Not to mention that it's so satisfying when all of your seeds are in the same place, you know what you have, where they are, and they're super organized. It makes it so much more fun and less frustrating. I don't know about you, but I'm starting to get a ton of seed starting catalogs in the mail, and while it's super exciting, I want to make sure that I take the time to inventory my seeds and then organize them before I start buying new seeds. So I definitely recommend using this photo case to stay organized and make sure you're on top of it before seed starting season begins. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to like and follow for more gardening tips. Until next time, happy gardening, and don't forget you can always find space for one more plant.